In the early 1950s, astronomers at Palomar Observatory captured something extraordinary on their photographic plates: bright star-like objects that appeared in one image, only to vanish completely within an hour, never to be seen again. This discovery has puzzled scientists for decades, spawning theories ranging from exotic astrophysical phenomena to extraterrestrial technology. But the truth behind these vanishing stars may be far more earthbound, yet equally fascinating. The VASCO project, Vanishing and Appearing Sources During a Century of Observations, has been meticulously analyzing thousands of historical astronomical photographs, searching for objects that mysteriously disappear between observations. Among their most intriguing findings is the triple transient event of July 19, 1952, where three bright points vanished within just 1 hour. No known astrophysical explanation could account for such behavior, leading some researchers to propose more exotic possibilities, including pre-Sputnik artificial satellites. However, understanding these anomalies requires diving deep into 1950s photographic technology. The Palomar Observatory Sky Survey, POSS-1, used specialized glass plates coated with light-sensitive emulsions, manufactured by Kodak. These included the 103AE plates sensitive to red light and 103AO plates sensitive to blue light. Each plate was exposed for 40 to 50 minutes, with paired observations taken about 30 minutes apart to capture different wavelengths. These photographic plates had inherent limitations. Over time, the glass could warp, emulsions could develop bubbles or holes, and storage conditions could cause various artifacts. A 2024 study using machine learning found that these vanishing objects had distinctly different profiles from regular stars. They appeared more round and narrow, leading algorithms to consistently classify them as bad pixels, rather than genuine astronomical sources. But the most compelling explanation emerges from a darker chapter of American history. In 1945, Kodak accidentally discovered nuclear weapons testing when their photographic films began showing mysterious dark spots and fogging. Dr. Julian Webb, a Kodak scientist, traced the contamination to radioactive fallout from the Trinity atomic bomb test. The fallout had contaminated rivers that supplied water to paper mills, and the radioactive packaging was ruining Kodak's products. This discovery led to a secret agreement between Kodak and the U.S. government. In exchange for keeping quiet about the extent of nuclear contamination, Kodak would receive advance warnings of nuclear tests to protect their inventory. But while Kodak knew about the radioactive contamination, the astronomers at Palomar Observatory, located just 200 kilometers from the Nevada test site, remained unaware. The timeline is crucial. The Palomar Sky Survey ran from 1949 to 1958, perfectly overlapping with America's most intensive period of atmospheric nuclear testing. During this time, hundreds of nuclear weapons were detonated in Nevada, sending radioactive particles high into the atmosphere. These particles could travel hundreds of miles on wind currents, potentially contaminating photographic plates across the southwestern United States. Radioactive particles hitting photographic emulsions create distinctive marks, bright spots, streaks, or fog-like effects that could easily masquerade as celestial objects. Different radioactive isotopes emit particles at various energy levels, potentially explaining why some stars appeared on red-sensitive plates but not blue-sensitive ones, or vice versa. The short-lived nature of these marks, appearing during one exposure but gone by the next, matches perfectly with the behavior of radiation-induced artifacts. Recent analysis of the original glass plates has revealed numerous emulsion defects, bubbles, and contamination spots that weren't visible in later digitized copies. Combined with the known radioactive contamination from nuclear testing, this provides a scientifically robust explanation for many, if not all, of these mysterious vanishing objects. This revelation transforms what seemed like an astronomical mystery into a sobering reminder of the Cold War's hidden impacts. The same nuclear tests that threatened global security also inadvertently contaminated scientific data, creating false signals that would puzzle researchers for decades. It's a powerful example of how human activities can have unexpected consequences, reaching even into the realm of pure scientific observation. The story also highlights the importance of understanding historical context when interpreting old scientific data. What appears mysterious or inexplicable through a modern lens may have mundane explanations rooted in the technology and events of the time. The Palomar plates, intended to map the heavens, inadvertently became detectors for nuclear fallout, recording not distant stars but the radioactive signature.